In order to customize the lock screen on Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 or Z Flip 7 FE, first of all, we need to go to Settings. Over here in Settings, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and then we're going to go to Wallpaper and Style. And over here, we can tap on the current lock screen that we have over here, and we have a bunch of different options. We can change the clock over here, and we can adjust its size. We have the font selection, so you can choose different fonts. We can make it thinner or bolder, at least in some cases. We have different colors that we can use as well, and besides that, we have styles, so you can change the font or the clock style completely by using any of these options over here. We even have some animated options, which is pretty cool, and we can provide some additional information if we want to. Besides that, we can add widgets to the lock screen, so we can tap on this Add Widgets section in order to include widgets over here. Let's say we're gonna go to Device Care, and we're gonna tap this Optimize option, and then let's also go to, let's say, Interpreter, and we're gonna use the Conversation mode. So now you have quicker access to these options through the lock screen, although most of the time you actually have to unlock your device anyway to use them. Now, besides that, we have these shortcuts that we have in the bottom left and bottom right corner. So you can tap on these shortcuts in order to use something else in that place. So you can, for example, let's say use mobile data. So you can quickly turn on and off mobile data by just tapping on this switcher, by using this button, I mean. And instead of camera, let's say we can use a power saving mode. So you can use these options over here in the lock screen before you unlock your device. And of course, we can change the wallpaper. You can tap on wallpapers over here in order to use a different wallpaper. You can also find different variations in some wallpapers, for some wallpapers, I mean, at least. And that's pretty much it. Once you are done, press done over here in the top right corner, and that's all. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.